Данное видео является частью большой разработки уроков по теме Music Festival. Скачать разработку можно по ссылке в описании канала. Let's listen how a guitar sounds. A guitar sounds like this. Let's listen how a piano sounds. A piano sounds like this. Let's listen how a tambourine sounds. A tambourine sounds like this. Let's listen how a flute sounds. A flute sounds like this. Let's listen how maracas sound. Maracas sound like this. Let's listen how a xylophone sounds. A xylophone sounds like this. Let's listen how a drum sounds. A drum sounds like this. Let's listen how an accordion sounds. An accordion sounds like this. Let's listen how a trumpet sounds. A trumpet sounds like this. Let's listen how a saxophone sounds. A saxophone sounds like this. Let's listen how a harp sounds. A harp sounds like this. Let's listen how a violin sounds. A violin sounds like this.